the middle one. Middle one. Okay, forward your legs. Bend your knees. 1, 2, 3, go. Jump!
Hey, hey! Human drone ko na natin. Subukan natin itong human drone, guys. Pre, ako na yung human drone, pre. Ako ang cellphone, pre. Ito pang reels. Ma'am, harap! I-upload. Saan kayo galing, ma'am?
Manila.
Yeah, ma'am. Salamat sa tiwala nyo sa amin dito sa Cambugay Falls, ma'am, no? So, panoorin nyo ito, ma'am, sa Facebook namin.
Hanapin niyo si Kuya.
Elmer Bicerilo, ma'am. Yeah. Maraming salamat, ma'am.
Thank you, Kuya Elmer. Thank you po.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Ingat po kayo.
Bye, Kuya. Thank you po.
Thank you, mama. Wow, very nice country. Yeah, welcome to Secure Island. Okay, don't scare them. Forward a little. Then hold tight. Both hands. Yeah, both hands. Forward a little. Then bring your knees up flex only. Okay, 1. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Up flex. Let's go. You want to go? 8 meters.
8 meters. Here now.
Where are you from? Germany. Wow, welcome to Secure Island. Upleg only, bring your knees, upleg only. 1, 2, 3, go.
Nakuha kay Tef.
Ayan. Dito. Legs up lang, ma'am. Legs up. Ayan, ma'am. Bend your knees. Up legs lang. Legs up. 1, 2, 3, go. Legs up. Legs up lang. Legs up. Legs up. Yangat pa lang dalawa pa. Yangat dalawa pa. Ayan.
Hi.
Ma'am, harap lang. Masaya ka lang.
Last na ko. Yeah.
Yan, from Iloilo. Ayan. From Iloilo, guys. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, go. Jump! Nas, pre. Pabigyan na lang, pre. Napram mo. Ayan, di pa mo nulaw. Ma'am, yung lang.